Joe Biden is making good on basically it was a campaign promise. He didn't want to say directly if he supported putting more justices on the court, but pushed by the kind of left of his party, which we've seen this happen time and time again with President Biden, is that he tries to kind of cut it both ways. Now having this commission, let's listen to President Biden when this is during the campaign, what he finally came up with for an answer. He never wanted to say yes or no, but he certainly wouldn't say no to court packing. Most people are pretty clear about whether they support it or not. He's finally got to an answer, and this is what it was.
If elected, what I will do is I'll put together a national commission bipartisan commission of scholars, constitutional scholars, Democrats, Republicans, liberal, conservative, and I will ask them to, over 180 days, come back to me with recommendations as to how to reform the court system, because it's getting out of whack, the way in which it's being handled. And it's not about court packing. There's a number of other things that our constitutional scholars have debated, and I'd look to see what recommendations that commission might make.
What exactly is he talking about?
What's out of whack?
I was going to say, we have a federal system. We have a constitutional system that says judges are nominated by a president with the advice and consent of the United States Senate, and if confirmed to that judicial position, they serve for life. So what is out of whack, Andy, other than the last president got to appoint a lot of judges, but Joe Biden's going to get to appoint a lot of judges too.
Yeah, I don't understand when he said the system is out of whack. I mean, I don't see the courts out of whack. I mean, I was in a federal court for many, many years, practicing for 5 years in the United States Attorney's Office before 13 federal judges in the Northern District of Georgia. There was nothing out of whack. The judge made a ruling. We didn't like it. We could appeal it. We appealed it. The Court of Appeals would sit in a 3-judge panel and make a decision. If we didn't like that, we'd try to seek cert to the Supreme Court of the United States. I mean, it has worked for decades upon decades upon decades.
Since our founding.
What's out of whack is that he got 3 judges appointed by President Trump, and he couldn't stomach that.